Hey guys, in this video I am talking about Lua programming language. Lua mean moon is a lightweight high-level programming language and designed primarily for embedded use in application. Lua is cross-platform since the interpreter of compiled bytecode and written in ANSI, and Lua has a relatively simple C API embedded into applications. Lua entered in 1993 as a language of extended software application to meet the increasing demand for customization. At a time, it provided the basis of flexibility of a most procedure programming language, but more complicated or domain-specific features were not included. Rather, it included mechanism of extended the language, allowing programmer to implement such features as Lua was intended to be general embedded extension language. The designer of Lua focused on improving the speed, probability, and acceptable for and ease of use in development. History of Lua programming language. Lua was created in 1993 by Roberto Luis and Heinrich D. Figueredo and Valdemar Kals, and a member of the computer graphics technology telegraph in the Pontifical Catholic University of Rio de Janeiro in Brazil from 1997 until 1992. Brazil has a policy of strong trade barriers called a market reserve from computer hardware and software in that atmosphere telegraph client could not afford either publicity and financial to buy customized software from a board. The reason led the graph to implement the basic tools it needed from scratch, and Lua professor was a data description configure language solve simple object language and data entry language that have been independently developed to the graph in 1992-1993 to add some flexibility into two different projects both with interactive graphically program for engineering application to Petrobras company that was a lack of any flow control structure in Seoul and Dallas, and the Petrobras felt a growing need to add a full programming power to them. The evolution of Lua, the language author wrote in 1993, the only real contender in with TCL with had been explicitly designed to be embedded in application. However, TCL had unfamiliar syntax with did not offer good support for data substitution and ran only as a Unix platform. We did not consider Lisp and Scheme because of their unfriendly syntax. Python was still in the infancy in the free do-it-yourself atmosphere. Then design and tech graph. It was quite natural that we should try to develop our own scripting language because many potential users of the language were not professional, and programming the language should avoid the cryptic syntax and semantics. The implementation of the new language should be highly profitable. Because telegraph client has been a very diverse collection of computer platform. Finally, since we expected that the other telegraph product would also needed to embed a scripting language, a new language should follow of a like example of Soul and of the provide as a library with a KC API. Lua 1.0 was designed in such a way that is that is object constructor being the file slightly different from the current light and flexible style and incorporated the data descriptive syntax of Sol, and hence the name Lua. Sol meaning sun the in Portuguese, and Lua meaning moon. Lua syntax for control structure was the most borrowed from Modula, and but also had taken influence from CLU multiple assignment and multiple return from a functional call as a simpler alternative to reference parameter and to exhibit pointed. C++ neat ideas of allowing a local variable to a declared only where a need it snowball and WAWK associative array is an in an article in an article published in Dr. Doob journal, Rua Creator also state the list and scheme with a single data structure mechanism. The list were a major influence on their decision to develop the table as the primary data structure of Lua. Lua scheme semantics has been increasingly influenced by scheme over time, especially with the introduction of anonymous function and full lexical scoping. Several features were added in Lua. New Lua version of Lua prior to version 5.0 were released released under a license similar to the BSD license from version 5.0 onward. Lua was been licensed under the MIT license. Both are permissive free software license and was also almost identical. Features of Lua programming. Lua is commonly described as a multi-program language providing a small set of general feature that was extended to fit different program types. Lua does not contain explicit spot of inheritance, mm, but allow it to be implemented with metabels. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Bye guys.